The Dodge brothers' competitive spirit and engineering prowess started long before they built their first car, and will continue long after their latest. The 2015 Dodge Dart, the most technologically advanced vehicle in its class. John and Horace Dodge launched their first car in 1914. But they were not only business partners, they were brothers. Competitive, stubborn, and always pushing each other the way only brothers can. 100 years later, their spirit lives on. If the Dodge brothers walked into a dealership today, they'd be pretty impressed with what's become of their maverick car company, with all the power, performance, and ingenuity. But knowing them, they'd insist on serving the donuts. Get yours before their history. Well, there goes the country club, the 2015 Dodge Durango, now with available Beats audio. By 1914, the Dodge brothers quit the Ford Motor Company and set out on their own. They believed in more than the assembly line. They believed driving was a holy endeavor. 100 years later, the Dodge brothers' spirit lives on.